Hello my good people, welcome back to our channel. This is Wefwafwa Andrew. If it is your first time here, kindly consider subscribing by clicking that red subscribe button. Like and share this video with all the people you care about. If you are a returning subscriber, I just want to say welcome back and thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always watching our videos. Now, as you all know, we just completed day 3 of our community outreach. Now, in this video, I just wanted to thank you all who have been watching all the videos that we uploaded for day 3. Day 3 was a hectic day. It was a bit tiresome because we met a lot of people, but at the same time, it was not in vain. We worked, but God helped and people came. We were able to teach people. People understood. We were able to give out some seedlings, and at least we are receiving good reports from the village that people are utilizing the machines that we donated. The seedlings that we donated, people have planted them, and the good news is that since we left that side, it has been raining. So I believe that out of the 370 seedlings that we planted, at least we may be able to get around 300 seedlings growing. So that is really good news for me, and I believe it is also good news for you who is watching out there. Now in this video, I just wanted first of all to thank you, and then the next thing, I just wanted to talk about what I think we can do next. So we want to go and make a follow-up on the people we first visited in our first community videos that we uploaded. That is the oldie lady and then Hezekiah and his mother. We want to go and see how they're doing. We want also to go and find out the results that the mama got, and then we would like to take some charts for Hezekiah and the mother, and then also teach them to use those charts because the other time we demonstrated using food, but I believe that if we now take for them the charts, it will be easier for them to grasp the idea. So we just want to go and teach them, and we want to see how also the machine is helping them. And then another thing that we want to do is that we want to intensify our activities again. We want to use all the available means to reach people. So I'm hoping that we resume our radio programs. I am trying to make some arrangements. Hopefully tomorrow they will give us some time on the radio station. We'll be teaching people. When I use a radio station, in most cases, I reach a lot of local people here. So we want to use that one as well. And then we shall also continue using YouTube, and we shall still use the community outreach as well. So the idea of meeting very many people in the community is good, but I've seen that it has some challenges, but I think we shall try to work on them. For example, it is very difficult for people to maintain social distance and then, put on the mask, because these people, you don't find them organized at once. They just keep coming one by one. So sometimes they find when you're teaching and you are very far, you're taken, when you're teaching, sometimes you enter that mode of teaching, and though you are aware of the surrounding, but I don't know, there is a way you connect with people who are there, and you end up getting lost to the extent that you cannot know who has just joined and is not putting on a mask well. But I saw that after looking through our videos. I think in the next videos we shall have to make sure that we improve on that, because COVID-19 is real and is there. So we can't allow people to get infection from that place, and yet they're getting knowledge that could help to prevent them from becoming sick. So I will work on that. Otherwise, I just wanted to thank you, and then I just update you on our next program. I love you all. Peace.